Okay, I have a very important topic to talk about.
Okay, Josh, what are you talking about?
What does a zebra sound like?
Why is this important?
Okay, I'm asking you and you too, audience.
Okay, no, stop, no, audience, don't answer that question! Okay, Josh, what the hell is this now? I mean, there's like stuff. Okay, never mind. Oh, Jesus, it's cramped. Okay, alright, hi audience, you know me, my name is Ryan, this is the interview base, like as you can see. Going off a bit topic over here, so I was running over here and then I accidentally fell down and knocked myself out, so that was kind of bad. But the worst part is I dropped my chicken. So
Pet chicken?
Pet chicken? Okay, hang on. Josh, who just has a pet chicken?
You tell me, you're the one with the pet chicken. What? I swear, most people have pet chickens.
Shut up. Guys, just don't fall for Josh's random questions, alright? They're just random.
This is the thing. I've never heard a zebra speak or something. It's not like a mute or something.
Okay, hang on. Josh, what? Are they supposed to, like, speak Spanish?
Yeah, it's obvious. Alright, I want you to think about this for a sec. Have you heard a zebra speak?
No, don't think about it. It's stupid.
Yo, shut the up.
Oh gosh, that's just stupid, dude. That's really stupid. Why would a zebra speak Spanish? That doesn't make sense. Well, why am I alone here and you're the only one here? I don't get it. Okay then, you're gonna leave now. What are you doing?
Zebras with zebras, how majestic you are, striped black and white. They don't fly like a kite.
God, is this a poem or something?
In your dreams, you think of flying zebras using for breeze. You pick up a dirty tic-tac from the ground, hope you won't catch a disease. By Josh Valdez. Welcome back to Night with the Six. I'm your host Josh, and today we have Ryan from the Six joining with us.
Okay, wait, what the is this?
So how's the show been doing?
Great.
What is your favorite moment on the show?
Okay, I think it's the time where me and Henry, when you just went up to one of the...
And that's all we have the time for today.
Wait, what? Hold on for a second. I mean, this is...
Let's start tonight. We'll go back on the Six.
Okay, what the hell is this? Josh, what is this? What's in these boxes, man? Come on. Going off a little bit topic here. So I was trying to get over here, and the thing is, I just fell and I knocked myself out.
Pet chicken.
So I didn't freaking... What pet? Okay, Josh, who has a pet chicken?
You tell me. You're the one with the pet chicken.
Okay, no.
I swear, everyone has pet chickens.
You forgot to
No, I didn't. I'm just doing it on purpose. Using for breeze. You pick up a dirty tic-tac from the ground, hope you won't catch a disease. By Josh Valdez.
I know. You okay? You choking? What are you choking about, dude? Okay?
I'm trying to say my whole script now. I'm trying to say my poem, bro. Zebras, oh zebras, how majestic you're, striped black and white. You don't fly like a kite.
Oh my god, this is a poem. This is a poem. No, this is a poem.
I laughed at my own thing.